And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you a cheap condenser mic with boom and everything. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. If you want to buy one of these as well, I'll link this down in the description below. So basically, this device is from Neewer. Again, another Neewer condenser mic. I think there's so many online, but I find like these, there's a good review for this condenser mic, and we're gonna test it out with Rode Micro right now. Right now, I'm using the Rode Micro, so just note that. And we're gonna put this on our Comica CVM AX3 and see what the big difference is all about, and see if this is even better or maybe even worse for on our Rode Micro. But this device right here that you are looking at right now, I think it's only $30 Canadian, so that's best bang for your buck. It can't be that bad, right? Let's just see how it works and let's see if it's any worth it. So here we go. Let's unbox it. We're gonna unbox another thing. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, like I saw this online. I saw a few reviews and it says that the reviews, it's not too bad on it. You know, for a $30 mic, what else can you ask for? First thing we have is the foam, you know, for pop, pop, pop. See if that works as well. Got one of those, right? Oh yeah, professional style, you know, all this for 30 bucks. I mean, come on, man. An arm as well, of course. Right? You know, this is all, like I said, $30, right? Look at this. It has everything. It's like, it gets you set up. You know what else with the $30? User manual, like always. Let's put that on the side. Oh, here, $30. Here, look. You get that $30? Wow. That comes with $30. Put that on the side. Those on the side. You know what? I would just even buy this not just for the mic. If this is good for all the condensers out there, I would just buy this for the arm and the accessories that comes with it. But this is the condenser now. I didn't know it was white, but I actually wanted black. But we'll go with white. Sure. There you go. Looks nice. I mean, it's fairly cheap, as you could see there, but it is nice. Thumbnail, yeah, thumbnail like that. Boom. And let's put that on the side. Of course, the arm needs something to mount with, so here it is. Here you go. Let's toss that on the side. And last but not least, the wires. So let's put that right there. So with this condenser mic, it also helps you. You don't even need another device for this. You can just put this straight on to your DSLR, as you could see there. It's an aux in, so this will work without any converter or anything like that. So that's +1 for this $30 device, right? Let's unravel that right there. Yes, yeah, yep. Let's test this out, okay? I'm gonna start to just mount this on the side here. As you can see here, like, it's quite legit, man. Like, it has some flex to it. It's all metal, you know. If you want to adjust it, there's a little knob there. I have no idea how this thing works, but okay, sure. We'll just keep going. So that just sits right there. So what we'll do is we'll mount this on the side of our table here. Okay. There you go. It just sits like that, and then you can just tighten it with this guy right here. But I recommend to mount this on the table first before doing that. There you go. Mount that like that, like so. Yeah, she's also very stiff, right? So it's not like it'll just come down on you. It's quite the arm. See that? Like you can do a lot of ups and downs and legit stuff here. See, look at that. Look at that. It's pretty good. She's pretty stiff, right? Let's put that right in the middle so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just like that. Again, with all these, with what you get, like this is quite something, man. Like look at this. Now I've adjusted it so that it's right on my face here. So now, this is supposed to just fit in there. Wow. See, that's quite tight. That's quite tight right there. Perfect. There you go. Let's put that on like so. Now you can mount this above your head, you know, like YouTubers do. So it's not right on your face right here. There we go. And the last bit here is of course the mic. Oh, and here we go. So here's the test. How I have it hooked up right now is the right side is the Rode Micro and the left side is the Neewer NW-700. So here we go. The Rode Micro is now at 100% and the Neewer is at 50% gain on our Comica CVM AX3. So as you could see, let me know in the comments below which one's better and which one is bad. Rode Micro obviously costs more. The Neewer is obviously not just a cheap device, but it's also a different kind of mic. So I don't know if that will make a whole lot of difference on the test, but just let me know as well. Let me know anyway which one is better and which one is not. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial unboxing initial review of the Neewer NW-700. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come. I upload about 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So go ahead and stay tuned for more things to come. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe out there and peace out. Oh, for those of you who are wondering, that's how you mount that. Oh man, I had to look at the manual for that one. So there you go, just like that. Now you could be a singer, right? What? Right? There you go.